Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about some cooking mistakes that I see people making all the time, especially when it comes to cooking vegetables. These are things that can really impact the flavor and quality of your food. So, if you are making any of these mistakes, it's time to stop. Mistake 1: not cutting vegetables evenly. This mistake is especially important while cooking vegetables because they need to cook evenly. This can lead to nutrient loss because some pieces may be cooked for too long while others are not cooked enough. Make sure that you cut your vegetable into a uniform pieces. This will ensure that all the pieces are cooked evenly and not undercooked or overcooked. Mistake 2: overcrowding the pan. This is very common mistake while cooking vegetables, especially when you are trying to cook a large batch at once. Overcrowding can also cause the food to release its moisture, which can lead to the loss of water-soluble vitamins and minerals. So try not to overcrowd the pan. Make sure to leave enough space between the vegetables in the pan and cook them in batches if necessary. Mistake 3: not blanching certain vegetables. Some vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower benefit from being blanched before cooking. Blanching these vegetables for a few minutes in boiling water and then soaking them in ice water helps to preserve their color and texture. Not blanching your vegetables can lead to loss of water-soluble vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and potassium. So, if you are not blanching your vegetables, they may not be as vibrant and flavorful as they should be. Mistake 4: using wrong cooking methods for the vegetable. When you use the wrong cooking method, you may end up either overcooking or undercooking the food, causing it to lose nutrients. For example, boiling vegetables for too long can cause them to lose their water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C. Some vegetables are better suited to certain cooking methods than others. For example, grilling vegetables like eggplant or zucchini can bring out their natural sweetness and smoky flavor, while roasting dense vegetables like carrots or beetroot can caramelize their natural sugar and bring out their earthy flavor. So make sure that you use a right cooking methods for the type of vegetable you are cooking. Mistake 5: using blunt knife. When you use blunt knife, you need to apply more pressure to cut the vegetable. This can cause damage to the food and the resultant is loss of nutrients. For example, using blunt knife on green leafy vegetables like spinach or kale can bruise the leaves and cause them to lose their nutrients. Mistake 6: overcooking your vegetable. Overcooked vegetables can be mushy and flavorless and totally lose their nutrition value. Overcooking can cause significant nutrient loss. For example, overcooking vegetables can cause them lose their water-soluble ingredients like vitamin C and some B vitamins. So make sure you keep an eye on your vegetables while cooking and cook them just when they are tender, crisp. This will preserve their texture and flavor. Mistake 7: using the wrong heat. Different vegetables require different level of heat to cook properly. For example, delicate vegetables like green beans require high heat but for a short time to maintain their crispness, while denser vegetables like root vegetables require lower heat and longer cooking to become tender. So make sure you use right heat for the type of vegetable you are cooking. So just see that you are not making these mistakes. You might be making a right food choices in your life, but wrong cooking methods of these foods can ruin its nutritional value. So these are 7 usual mistakes people do while cooking vegetables. So take care. Namaskar.